thank you for clicking on this video. My name's Catherine. I am just a makeup enthusiast who's wanting to dabble in the content creation on YouTube. I've been really enjoying it. I'm trying to bring like the amateur back, you know? Not everything has to be so perfect all the time. And I find, especially with social media, you get the uber perfection, photo touch, filler, Botox, everything to make you look like not you. And then there's me who shows up with pimples and cat hair on my face. So like the title says, we're doing 5 makeup products in 5 minutes. I understand that might sound a little gimmicky, but I did this the other day and I thought it's a great way to show you don't need a lot of product to get like a really nice look. It's great for summer because it's really hot and maybe you don't want to be wearing as much makeup, which I don't. It's a bit more natural too. And then the 5 minutes is like, you can get out the door with this, you know? And I'm also going to be doing the 5 minutes, obviously unedited, except for this intro. Otherwise, yeah, we'd have no time. And sometimes I like to ramble, so I will be editing. Let's talk about the products first. So we're going to start with MAC Studio Radiance Face and Body Sheer Foundation. This is something I always use pretty much in every video. I've loved it for years. I do find the consistency on this one is a little thinner. I don't know, I might have just got like a different bottle. It's still beautiful. I love this because it's sheer, that you can build it. It's really glowy and it just makes your skin better. Your skin, but better. Obviously, I have more pimples to erase. And I did do a video recently talking about how I got rid of my breakouts, and here they are. I will link it either in this video or down in the description because it is still really good products. I think I've just had some stress, so it shows up on my face. Awesome. I'm also going to be using the Tower 28 concealer. This is in DTLA. I also didn't share. This is shade C1. Because it's really thin, I just use this all year. So this is very hydrating, but it's going to have the coverage to cover these little red bums. I'm also going to be using an eyebrow gel. I think when you're not having a lot of makeup on, even if you do have a lot of makeup on, you have to have something holding your eyebrows in place. This one, I've had it for a very long time and it's still going pretty strong. I find once you can't hear, like, see how you can, it sounds like there's still product in there. So she's still working for us. And then I think what really makes the whole difference is like a red bronzer type shade. This one is from Nude Sticks. I also have a video of how I got this for free from nudesticks.ca. I will also link that up here or down there. We will see. And this is such a beautiful shade where it's it looks like a sunburn in the best way. And I wore this, it was very hot outside. I was shopping all day. I wore it as eyeshadow. It was stayed put. A little creasing, like I maybe should have put some powder over it, but it didn't like totally go away. It's also great kind of as a C for bronzing and blush, you know, that blusher, bronzer, whatever. And I really like it on the lips as well. Just because it's really hot, I thought doing just a nice eyelash curl at the end instead of mascara, it just creates a different look. It's fun. I have my mirror. I'm not going to be using the powder, but I use my phone to record and my computer's dead, so I need to use the microwave as a timer. So I'm gonna do that. 5 minutes on the clock. We'll start it. Okay, we started. 5 minutes, let's go. This needs a really good little shake. And when you apply it on the face, it almost has this thickening sensation. Always be careful of your nostrils. Oh my God, I don't even know if I'll be able to do this in 5 minutes. This is a little scary, especially when you have more texture on your skin and breakouts. Like, they take a little more time to cover. And I do find this layers really beautifully on itself. So I usually have to, well, I don't have to, but I usually just add a bit more on my cheeks, bring it down my neck, make sure it's on the hairline, behind the ears, do a quick test. I should say, you know, excuse me, a look test. I'm not editing this, so it will be the 5 minutes, so I have to leave all the little bloopers in. Okay, so now we have Benefit 24 Brow Setter. I'm like out of breath. It's a marathon. And because we don't have a lot of makeup, I do like a little fluffier brow. I think it just really balances the face nicely. I swear I've had this since November. I might have gotten it during like the Christmas VIB sale. I don't remember when that is, but it holds really well. It's amazing. We might beat 5 minutes. Okay, so with the bronzer, I just like to do like little dots. And then I like to go in on my eye. What's great about Nude Sticks products, oh, cat hair. Oh my God, I'm wasting time. They have a brush at the other end. Everyone says they hate it, but you know, it's free. We like free things. I think because it's too dense, people don't tend to like it. But it can just like blend out the color, and then you can go in with your finger. Like I said, I like that C shape. It just brings that it looks like you've been out in the sun without having to be in the sun. Next side. Okay. 1, 2, across the lid. 1, 2. I do like to put it like on my nose. That also helps create the fantasy. Okay. Oh, I'm doing this wrong. It's also great if you're on vacation. I went to Mexico in February. I also have a video on that. Let me just self-plug myself. Right? When you plug yourself, that means promote. Let me self-promote. That's the word, not self-plug. Anyway, so I went to Mexico. It was amazing. It was my first time going. I was so lucky. And I brought a lot of Nude Sticks items, and they just make it so easy. Oh my God, they're so good. Especially their SPF blush. It's beautiful. So now we do some concealing of these mountains. Cool. It's also kind of hard because I don't know how much time is left since, you know, obviously the microwave's in my kitchen. So like I could have 2 minutes left, I could have 30 seconds left. It's nice to be able to have like the 2 different makeup looks, almost like a recipe. Your more natural makeup look, you know, something like this where it just takes you not too long. Maybe you're, oh no! Okay, I lied. I was chatting too much. This is a little more than 5 minutes. I'm still not gonna edit it, but we were pretty close. I think I was chatting a bit much. If I didn't have all these pimples, I think it would have been better. Pimples take time to cover up. Sometimes I like to take that concealer and also go over where I bronzed. That's too funny. And then just a quick eyelash curl. It just opens up the eyes a little bit. And I am including this as a product because if you don't have it, you know, you'd have to go out and buy it. And I actually find when I don't put mascara on my eyelashes, they stay pretty curled. Like, it's not bad. And then I think this is like one of the most beautiful lip colors. I find a lot of browns they just don't look good on me, on my lips. I don't know if it's like the undertone of my, anyways, we're done. So stop the clock, 6 minutes. Yeah, a lot of browns just, I find they don't suit me. I want them to, but you know, strip down for Max Beautiful. But that's just like the most easy, get some coverage on your face, simple makeup routine, a little over 5 minutes, but I hope you enjoyed. I'm wanting to do some like quicker makeup tutorials so I can get them out on long form easier. I take a long time with editing, and as you can see, I like to ramble. So it takes me a long time to edit. But please subscribe, please like, and you know, leave a comment. What is your go-to summer product? I think mine, like I said, it was the SPF blushes from Nude Sticks. If I'm going for a walk, I put this over my SPF. If I'm going to the gym, I put this on. Like, it's just so easy to add some extra, saying a lot, to add some extra coverage with SPF. Oh my God, it's getting really hot in here. I had to turn the AC off because it's so loud. But I hope you enjoyed that ramble and a bit of a random video. Hopefully I will have one up like pretty soon after this. I really appreciate you, and yeah, please interact with me on this video. I love it. Okay, bye. That's my tongue. Bye.